do, family? We're back with another video. Like I said, we're gonna get the lights off on the dashboard. All of the lights that we can. For the ABS and the other brake light, we may end up having to go to a mechanic to get those two off. But for the most part, as I told y'all, two of them gonna be real simple. Got my toolbox covering up. Okay, all I did was just fill the reservoir up, fluid. That light went off. They got sensors right there. Let you know when it's low, and of course another sensor on the bottom of this. So we got a new reservoir over here. So we finna replace this reservoir, and we should knock that light off, and then also making it look good under the engine bay. But this one here is old, dingy looking, and then we're gonna clean everything else up and paint it up, make it look decent up under here. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get this reservoir up out of here. Just for y'all that may not know or never done it, got one nut here, stud and nut here, goes in there, and you got another one here, and that's the only two that's holding this in. There should be another one down here, but mine wasn't clamped. Y'all can see out in there. So there should be three mounting points that y'all have, and of course the hose down at the bottom, hose clamp. And then your pusher fluid, and then you got your other hose to go there. So it's real simple and quick. You got the right tools, it won't take long at all. I won't have any trouble with it. I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get it put together. And we're back. We got it mounted in, secured. That's the final product. I said probably a good 10-minute job. You got the right tools, but we gonna I gotta put some coolant in here to top it off. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, family, as y'all see, two lights up there down. All we got left is the ABS. Do that airbag trick. Of course, we click the seat belt, that'll go out. Now the brake light. So only two things I'm not sure about what's going on is the brake light, ABS light. But we're gonna get them figured out. We're gonna get everything turned out. So y'all stay tuned. Lock into the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, share, comment. Let me know if y'all know anything that may be going on with the ABS light and the brake light. I appreciate everybody supporting the channel and watching. Until next time, we out.